Watch the TUI 38. Hey. Detail World, what it do, what it do, man. Right now it's 41 degrees. The temperature had dropped down to 20-something degrees. Sorry y'all can't see that. But temperature had dropped down to 20-something degrees last night, so it was a little cold. So I'm running a little behind, but I only got 3 appointments today. One of those days, man. But tomorrow's gonna be back 68 degrees. Thursday 62, Friday 60, Saturday 60, and then Sunday 65. So weather's starting to look back up. But got 3 appointments. Finna go make this office calls, 2 home, 2 house calls, and then it is what it is. I've been trying to get people on the schedule, but like I said, it's just things are changing and stuff like that. So we try to figure out other ways to make money and things of that nature. But I'm gonna go ahead and get it cracking, man. Remember, stay dedicated to the process, man. Remember, you are in control. You are. Hit that subscribe button since you're in control too. And I'm gonna catch you in a minute. Peace. Detail World. Y'all already know what it do. Y'all saw the temperature, man. It's still 40-something degrees out here. Still a little chilly, man. But we right now working on this Lexus. You see the exterior of the car, pretty dirty, wheels dirty, side of the car, all the road brown, things like that. But you see it, definitely gotta make it. But right now this is Lexus ES350, man. Beautiful car. We already did the interior. She never really took care of the car, so it got a lot of damage on the leather and things like that. But see, we already got the vacuum. See the mats out. See how bad those look. But we about to go ahead and start up the pressure washer, wash these wheels, get the car done. We got 2 more stops to make. Other stop literally like 5 minutes from here, so that's a good thing. But I'm definitely gonna get some lunch, man, because I am hungry. But y'all already know, man. Do what you gotta do. Google these Lexus ES350. They are some very dependable cars. You know the Lexus make Toyota. Toyota and Lexus are the same thing. But I'm gonna go ahead and do what I gotta do, man. Y'all continue to be great. Hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna catch you in a minute. Peace. All right. Detail World, YouTube, what it do. Right now it is 48 degrees. It's trying to crank up. It's trying its best to crank up, but it's still cold out here, man. Weather's still cold, but we got this Lexus ES350 completely done in and out. You see what the wheels look like. Remember, the other main wheels was dirty, had that gray look, had debris all down the side of the car. We got all that up, but we're about to go ahead and head to our next stop. Like we say, it's 5 minutes from here. Go grab some lunch, because the brother pretty hungry. But y'all see the car, it looks amazing. She definitely, have been a while since I done her car. I used to do a lot of cars at this place, but you know, since I raised my prices, a lot of people don't care to use my services, but I'm not upset about that, man. Things happen, and those are the things that you have to deal with when you're running a business, man, because prices were raised during, you know, the recession of this world, man, because this constant stuff is not getting cheaper, man. Everything going up and they're not paying us enough. But y'all already know I ain't gonna be here preaching nothing like that. Remember, be consistent, persistent, and relentless. And remember, your dreams are yours. Let's achieve them. Detail World, YouTube, what it do today. Right now we working on this Range Rover, Land Rover, Velour. I believe it's one of those, but if not, it's a Sport. But we already got the exterior of the car looking good if you look at it. But we about to go ahead and work on the interior, knock out the exterior as fast as I could, because you know that weather held me up a little bit. But if you look at the interior, you got your typical debris, your sticks, your twigs, little rocks, pebbles, things like that. Little dog hair if you see it. But we're gonna get in here, wipe down the seats, wipe down the whole console, and wipe down the whole interior. You know how it goes, normal routine. Make sure we get all in the back of these seats and stuff like that. But y'all already know how consistent you gotta be out here in this world, man. So remember, man, consistency beats everything, hard work beats talent, man. And always remember, man, if you don't believe today, you can believe tomorrow, man. So just make those small adjustments, man. Remember, small changes make big differences. And I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute, man. Peace. Detail World, what it do, man. We finally got the car completely done and I remember I told you, we already did the exterior. I mean, the interior, but you see the exterior came out well. Everything came out fine. Like I said, we got one more car to do, so we're about to head to that next appointment right now. It's not too far from where I'm at. Probably about 10 minutes, so Y'all already know, man. Gonna hop in the vehicle, get there and everything. I already got the van packed up, stuff like that. But remember, be consistent, man. Consistency beats everything. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one, man. Peace. Detail world, detail world. This is pretty funny. Tesla sign supposed to go right here, but she actually put a dog sign right here. But right now, we're doing a Tesla Model 3 right now. We about to get ready and work on the interior first. Interior is really, like I say, sometimes is the worst part to clean because it's just so much dirt and debris that people put in their car, especially if they don't get their cars clean on a regular. So you see, we got dog hair. We actually got snacks and things like that. You look over here on the cup holder, how dirty it is over there too. So even with the seats, you know, so we gotta get in here and clean these seats, make sure we clean these seats properly. Now, only issue I'm seeing so far is getting to this back. So you got so much stuff back here in this back. So I don't know how I'm gonna go about moving this stuff around. So I'm still moving around the vacuum and stuff like that, but I'm not taking all that stuff out. She knew I've been coming for 2 to 3 days, so she didn't take care of that. But I already got the vacuum out, all purpose right there. I actually got some of my carpet spray right there. But like I said, we're gonna work on this interior first, then we're gonna get on this exterior. I'm gonna get with y'all in a minute, man. Peace. All right, detail world, what it do, man. It took us literally 2 hours to get this car done. We got here about 2:50. It is 4:51, but y'all already know time doesn't matter when you take pride in whatever you do. And like I say, lately, me working by myself, I'll be having to set these appointments an hour, 30 minutes to 2 hours away because it takes me a little bit more time because a lot more people, cars, a lot of people got dogs, a lot of people got kids, things like that. But like I said, y'all remember that back seat had all that stuff in it? Well, the door locked because she took the key, but you see what it say right there? Key card. See what it say? Tap the key, but car clean, so we finna get ready and go, man. That was the last car today. But y'all already know, man. Continue to be great. Be great together, man. You already know, like I said, we definitely take so much pride in everything we do, but y'all remember had all that stuff on the seat, stuff like that. But hope y'all have a great day, man. I'm gonna catch y'all at the next one. Same time, same channel, and I'm gonna catch up with y'all later. Peace.
YouTube. Watch TY38.